In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add tags in Zendesk. If you're looking to streamline your workflow and make ticket management more efficient, understanding how to use tags is essential. Tags are one of those powerful features in Zendesk that can help you categorize and track tickets with ease, leading to quicker resolution times and enhanced organization. So, whether you're new to Zendesk or just want a refresher on how to effectively use tags, this guide is for you. Let's start by opening any ticket in Zendesk, which is your first step. You can do this by navigating to your ticket's dashboard and simply clicking on any ticket you wish to work with. Once the ticket is open, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. You'll notice a variety of fields on the screen, each with its specific use. Today, however, we will focus our attention on the Tags field. For most users, the Tags field can be easily located in the left-hand ticket sidebar. This sidebar includes multiple fields and sections, but the Tags section is critical because it allows you to add specific identifiers to the ticket you're currently working on. It'll usually be labeled, so you shouldn't have to search too hard to find it. Once you have located the Tags field, it's time to type in the tag that you want to apply to the ticket. Zendesk helps out here. As you start typing, you might notice that any tags you've used before will pop up as suggestions. This nifty feature can save you time, ensuring you maintain consistent tagging conventions across your tickets. It can also jog your memory if you're trying to recall a specific tag you've used in the past. Once you've typed out your desired tag or selected a suggested one, simply press either the Enter or Space key. This action will confirm the addition of the tag to your ticket. You can add multiple tags as needed. Just repeat this process for each one. After you're satisfied with your tags, the final step is to ensure these changes are saved. Look for the Submit button. It's usually found towards the bottom or top of your ticket interface. Clicking Submit will save the modifications you've made, firmly attaching those tags to your ticket. This step is vital because if you navigate away from the ticket without saving your changes, they won't be reflected, and you might have to repeat the process. And there you have it. You've successfully learned how to add tags in Zendesk. By effectively using tags, you can make your workflow in Zendesk more efficient and organized. Feel free to explore and challenge yourself to tag strategically to reap the full benefits of this fantastic feature.